So you might be in a situation where for some reason your MacBook is just not charging. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the most important thing you want to check out for is to make sure that your particular MacBook, that your outlet that you're using or your cable that you're using, you want to check that. That is usually one of the first things that could end up causing you some issues there. So number one, just make sure you're not having any issues when it comes down to that side. Because that right there can be one of the big issues that you might run into. And personally for me, I've had a lot of times and a lot of problems where I thought it was a MacBook that was the issue, but in reality, it was basically just the cable. So that's kind of the first thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about. Now on top of that, you want to look for any signs of charging. Does a battery icon come up? Does an orange green light come up if you're using MagSafe? If any of those things do end up coming up, then you might see that, okay, it does indicate that there's some juice going to the MacBook and it might not be a big, massive deal. However, there can be some times where maybe you are seeing a light on the display, on the display itself. That means it's charging. Or that the MagSafe charger is telling you that it's charging something, and maybe you're just going to have to let your MacBook sit there and just charge for a little bit. You can also try going through and restarting your MacBook. If your MacBook is already on, but the charger's not working, try restarting the MacBook. That can also kind of help fix the problem as well. And if that charger's not working or your MacBook's not working, what I'd recommend doing is maybe finding a temporary power source if possible, switching to a different charger. Or if you have enough charge, try software updating your Mac. Sometimes just a quick, simple software update can maybe end up fixing the problem as well. And that's another thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about here too. So in terms of that, those are kind of the main ways to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.